Good morning. In this video session, I would like to discuss for a few minutes about physics. What is physics? Physics is a branch of physical science. Now, in the environment, we have several objects which will be having some several phenomena. We will be seeing sun, moon, planets, stars. Okay, we'll see water. Okay, and then we identified some magnets and we observed electricity. We observed sound from distance in environment. Okay, and then we have we have some. We observe that nuclear physics. The difference between physics and chemistry is that in chemistry we are trying to understand an atom and a molecule, and the main interest is to find out chemical reaction. That is the main objective of the chemistry. Like one atom of hydrogen and two atoms of oxygen will give rise to a product of H2, water. Okay, that is the way of understanding the atom and molecular chemistry. But here we'll be understanding several phenomena like light. And we are seeing that we have got light from sun. So sun is emitting some rays. And what is the nature of this ray? How the ray is coming, starting at sun and coming to the destination, moving towards destination. What's happening to this particular way of ray? What is that ray? And what is the mechanism it is having? How it is transporting the energy from sun to the earth? All these things will be studying the light. And then we observe that rainbow. In rainbow, we'll see that seven different colors. Why rainbow is happening? Because of sunlight and rain, we'll see that there are seven colors that will be coming as a rainbow in the sky. So that is about light and sound. That means there is some source of sound, and the source of sound is reaching to some destination point. We should not cannot identify what is the destination. It could be a nearest human being or a distant place. Like a nearest human being can hear the source of sound, but the distance of people or something, some distance regions, we have modem and like we call telephone sort of thing. That means we are translating translation of signals into medium of this and reaching to other distant places. So here we'll be seeing television as a television. The people is speaking and in some distant places, and the people here are trying to see that source of some person and his speech in television in distant places. So that is one particular theory of sound. Now electricity means what? Turbines are there. These turbines will be having several buckets. Now, when from dams, the water will come through the pipelines, and it will be displayed on this, forced on these buckets. The turbine will rotate at high speeds, some 30,000 RPM, something like that. In that high speeds, it will rotate. When it is rotating, the armature of this turbine is cutting the magnets. When armature is cutting magnets, a high electricity power is generated, and it will be transported to several cable network to distant villages, cities, and things like that. So here, hydro power plant, and we have diesel power plants are there. Diesel power plants, and then nuclear power plants, and we have different types of power plants also there. All which will be supplying electricity to distant places, distant areas, and things like that. So that is about electricity and magnets, magnetism. The main characteristics of magnet is it will attract another metal. It will attract or repel. Attract or repel. What is the force of attraction? What is the force of attraction? What is the force of repulsion in case of magnet? If it is a magnet and a metal, what is the attraction force? And if it is a magnet and a magnet, what is the repulsion force? And how much magnitude will be having? What is the nature of this particular magnet? And things like we're studying in this subject called magnets. Now, here we are seeing that the physics is universal concept, macro physics, and micro physics. Micro means you can think as sound, electricity, electricity, and things like that. And universal means sun, planets, stars, and this is in big, like how the rays of stars are coming reaching to Earth, or what is the distance between two celestial bodies, and all these things will be discussed in the universal level. In the macro level, we see what is called mechanics. Mechanics means in this mechanics we'll be having vehicles, airplanes, and ships and things like that. How they are moving and what speed, what's the acceleration, like some stone falling from the height, but what velocity and acceleration will coming and hitting. All these concepts we see in mechanics. So these are all different types of subject areas which we'll see in physics, and the observing our day-to-day life. In every part of life, we'll be seeing. Without physics, we cannot think modernization. Every complete industrialization and industrial revolution is simply because of the advancements that have been taken place in physics, and it is a subject matter of natural physical science. So this is what I would like to speak something about physics. So thank you for watching the video.